what it is, and I shall tell. Let's get it out of the container. Here's what it looks like. And then flip it over. Looks like there's 4 points of contact. Let's go ahead and take it off. The included hardware. Everything is going to plan. Sarcasm. We have this plate that's actually interfering with that. I do not see this on the pictures anywhere. So I would assume that I would have to take this support off. Okay. Now that can actually go up and fit in that little hole. Make sure you put some anti-seize on that bolt, and we will continue with the other side. This, like this. Oh my gosh. I got a 13-inch bolt if you can't even fucking screw it in. Wait, that's a 14. Oh.